Nice.
Caused by excessive rainfall is possible. Where portions of northern Connecticut, including the following area: Windham, Connecticut, Massachusetts, including the following areas: Barnstable, Bristol, Dukes, Essex, Middlesex, Nantucket, Norfolk, Plymouth, Suffolk, and Worcester counties. In Rhode Island, including the following areas:
Yeah.
Kent, Newport, Providence, and Washington counties. When from 2 a.m. Thursday through late Thursday night. Impacts. Excessive runoff may result in flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations. Creeks and streams may rise out of their banks. Flooding may occur in poor drainage and urban areas. Additional details. Heavy rainfall this past weekend has left the ground saturated. With additional rainfall up to 2 inches, the new or exacerbated flooding. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood. Gale force winds possible Friday. Today, south to southeast winds 5 to 15 knots.
I gotta do something about Channel 6. I almost can't get it.